Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Christmas decor haul. I've recently just picked up all these awesome pieces and I am super excited to decorate with them. I'm going to go through each item and let you know where I got it from and how much it cost. So these little trees are from Target and they're called bottle trees. They have a glitter finish on them and I just think they're so cute and very affordable. The smallest ones are about the size of my hand and they were $1 each, and the bigger one in the back was $3. And I'm planning on using the small ones in the two-tier stand of my coffee area and the big one in the truck decor that you're gonna see here in a little bit. Next are these two cute kitchen towels that I got from Joann Fabrics. They retailed for $9.99, but I got them for $3.99 each on sale, which I thought was a great deal. This patch on this towel that says "Cut and Carry Christmas Trees Farm Fresh" is so adorable. It reminds me of an old vintage sign, so I love that. And I love the tassels at the bottom of these towels. I also picked up these matching coffee mugs that I'm gonna put in my coffee area as well. And these retailed for $9.99, but I got them for $3.99. Next up is this adorable mint green truck. When I saw this, I immediately wanted it. I've always wanted one, but I never bought one because they were always in the color red. And I don't decorate with the color red during Christmas, so it would never match. But now I'm super excited about it because I can use this. And I love that it has this snowy, sparkly finish to it. And it also had a bottle Christmas tree in the back when I bought it, but it was an off-white dingy color with pink and green ornaments, and I did not like it at all. So I did remove it prior to this video, and I think I threw it away, so I can't show you what it looked like. But I'm gonna replace it with a bottle tree that I got from Target, the bigger one that you saw earlier, which I think looks so much better. And also this truck came from Marshall's for $16.99. This piece is a small Mary sign that came from TJ Maxx, and I think I paid $5.99 for it. It is made of wood, and the frame has a gray and white distressed look, and I thought it'd be really cute for my coffee area, but I may use it somewhere else. I'm just not sure yet. Next up is this small faux succulent that I picked up from Marshall's, and it cost $5.99. It's in a white ceramic vase and it says "Believe," and I love the glitter on the succulent because it gives it a wintry look. And I plan to put this on my kitchen sink next to my dish soap to replace the other one that's there right now. Now, this is probably one of my favorite pieces I bought. It's a wooden cutout of Santa in a sleigh and two reindeer. I just love the white distress finish of this piece, and it matches my home decor so well. I'm not so crazy about the snowflakes on the side, so I might try to remove those if I can, if it doesn't damage it, but we'll see about that. And I did purchase this from HomeGoods for $16.99. This piece I got from Target for $5, and there's not much to this little tree, but I like that it's simple and thought it would be a cute little decor piece somewhere. It has a glittery finish on the faux pine needles and a little wooden box with metal accents as a stand. Here is another tree that I got from Marshall's for $12.99. It's just a small flock tree with a wood look base, which is my favorite part about it. And again, this is just another simple tree to decorate with, just to add some greenery around my house. Next up is the super cozy blanket that I'm not only going to keep out during Christmas time, but also throughout the winter as well. It's gray and white and has a simple snowflake pattern on it. And this fleece blanket came from Joann Fabrics. It retailed for $24.99, but after the sale price and my coupon I used, I got it for $15, so I thought it was a pretty good deal. Okay, y'all, this is the last tree I'm gonna show you, I promise, but this is my favorite one out of all of the trees that I got. It has an icy, frosty look on the needles that is absolutely beautiful, and I am just obsessed with it. The video clip just does not do it justice. You just have to see it in person. And just like all the others, this has a wood-like base, and it's not a small tree either, so it's a great piece to put somewhere to add a little bit of height to an area and take up a little bit of space. I'm not sure exactly where I want to put it at this exact moment, but I think it would look really cute in my dining room area on my buffet, but we'll see how I use it later on. And this did come from Home Goods, and it was only $20, so I thought it was a pretty good deal for this size tree. So I kind of feel a little bad about it, but I haven't had a star on my tree for a couple of years, only because I've never found one I really liked. And I finally found this one this year, and I hope I like it on my tree. I won't make my decision until I actually decorate, so I'll have to wait and see if I return it or not. But I like incorporating wood pieces into my home decor around my house, so I thought this would work perfect. It does have a galvanized metal side to it that I don't really care for, so I'm just going to turn it around and use the solid wood side, and this came from Marshall's for $12.99. Lastly, here is my new front door wreath. It has realistic pine needles accented with white berries and has gold antique looking bells hanging in the middle. And I am just super excited about this because I've been wanting this wreath for the longest time, and I finally broke down and bought it. This is part of the Magnolia collection at Target, and it costs $34.99. I am all about simple, clean looking decor, so this wreath is absolutely perfect for my decorating style. And that's it for my Christmas decor haul. I really hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'll be doing a decorate with me for Christmas video very, very soon. I really hope to get it up this week, so be on the lookout for that. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Y'all are the best subscribers ever. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.